Hey guys, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm gonna show you how you can edit and unsend your messages on Facebook Messenger. It's super easy and we will make sure you get it right. Go to your Facebook and here you can see the messenger icon. Just tap right here and here you can select one of the person to whom you want to send the text. Now, let me type the text. For example, hey, there is a good news. Now to edit that text, simply just tap on that cross icon and tap something else, whatever you want to change. Like, hey, can you please join? Now tap right here to send that message. To delete that message, tap on that text again and here you go, tap on remove and you can do both options and send for you or you can do and send for everyone. So let me do unsend for everyone and send, and here you can see the messages unsent now. So this is how you can edit and unsend your messages on Facebook Messenger. Hope you guys understand and like my video. Please consider showing your support by commenting, liking, sharing and subscribing to my channel for more valuable content in the future.